Today, we are going to talk about something many English learners feel but rarely say out loud: the fear of speaking to native English speakers. This fear can stop you from improving your English, but today, we will understand this fear and find out how to overcome it step by step.
Yes, Annie. It's a very common problem. Many learners feel nervous, shy, or even scared when they talk to someone who speaks English fluently or naturally. In this video, we'll share some helpful tips, easy examples, and motivation so you can feel confident and speak without fear.
Let me start by telling you something personal. When I was learning English, I used to avoid speaking to native speakers. I thought they would laugh at me, or maybe they wouldn't understand me. I used to think, what if I say something wrong? This thought made me silent. I knew some English, but I couldn't speak when it really mattered.
That's a very honest example, Annie. And I'm sure many people watching this video can relate to you. Let me explain why this fear happens. You see, when we think of native speakers, we imagine perfect English, perfect grammar, perfect accent, perfect vocabulary. We start comparing ourselves. We forget that language is about connection, not perfection.
Exactly. And we also forget that native speakers are usually very kind. Most of them don't care if your grammar isn't perfect. They are happy you're trying to speak their language. But the fear is in our mind. It makes us quiet. So the first step to overcoming this fear is to change the way we think. Instead of thinking, what if I make a mistake? We should think, what if I can connect with someone new?
That's a great mindset, Annie. Here's another tip. Don't aim for perfection. Aim for understanding. Native speakers are used to hearing many accents and styles of English. They understand even if your English is not 100% perfect. So speak slowly, use simple words, and focus on the message, not the mistake.
Yes. And another useful idea is to prepare some common sentences in advance. For example, if you're going to talk to someone at work, learn how to say, "Excuse me, can I ask you something?" Or, "I'm learning English. Please speak slowly." These small sentences give you confidence. They are like your support system.
That's a smart strategy. And here's something that really helped me. I practiced with my inner voice. Before speaking to anyone, I used to imagine the conversation in my mind. What will I say if he says this? Or how will I reply if she asks that? This mental practice made my real conversations easier.
You know, sometimes we also feel fear because we don't want to feel stupid. But here's the truth. Asking questions is not stupid. It's brave. It shows that you care, that you are learning. Even native speakers don't know everything about their language. So never feel ashamed.
That's right. And remember, the more you speak, the less scared you'll feel. It's just like swimming. You can't learn to swim by watching others. You have to jump into the water. Start small. Talk to someone online, join an English club, or speak to a tourist in your city. Every small step makes you stronger.
Yes, and even if you make mistakes, just smile and continue. Most people will appreciate your effort. They won't laugh. And if someone does laugh or corrects you rudely, remember, it's their problem, not yours. Your goal is to learn and grow, not to impress.
And here's something that can motivate you. Native speakers are also impressed when someone learns their language. Many of them say, "Wow, your English is so good." They know how hard it is to learn a second language, so they respect your effort.
That's true. And to build confidence, try recording yourself. Speak in English, even if it's just for 30 seconds. Then listen to your voice. You'll see your mistakes, yes, but you'll also see your progress. This helps you feel more comfortable with your own voice.
And remember to celebrate small wins. Did you say hello to someone in English today? Great. Did you ask a question or order food in English? Amazing. Every little action reduces fear.
And don't forget, you are not alone. Thousands, even millions of people are scared of native speakers. But the good news is this fear is not permanent. With practice, patience, and the right mindset, you can become confident and fluent.
Let's quickly review what we've learned in today's video.
We learned that it's okay to be scared of native English speakers, but we shouldn't let this fear stop us.
We also shared tips like changing your mindset, practicing your inner voice, learning useful phrases, and recording your speech.
We discussed that mistakes are normal and native speakers usually respect your effort.
And most importantly, we learned that English is not about being perfect. It's about communicating, connecting, and expressing your ideas.
Thank you for watching English with Altaf. We hope today's talk gave you the courage to face your fear and start speaking more.
Yes, keep practicing, stay confident, and remember, you can do it. See you in the next video.